Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Karen from teach.sped.repeat, and today I'm going to be unboxing this teacher happy planner, which is a seasonal happy planner. So I got this from Michael's and I think I used a 50% off coupon. I'm not sure, but I always use a coupon. I never buy anything full price if I go to Michael's. So let me open this, but first there's the front. This is, by the way, a classic size happy planner, which is the first for me because I've been using the big happy planner. I think it's only this year that they released the classic size, which I'm excited to use. And this is the back, so it shows you everything that's in there. It says here they have 13 dividers, and then they have 92 stickers, 3 sticky notepads, and 1 folder. And this is a dated happy planner. So excited to open this. Let me get my handy dandy scissors and let me cut this out. This one too. Oh, other side. I know that the school year just ended for me, but I'm so excited to get a new planner just because it's so pretty. And of course I'll be using this. Okay. Voila. So you have 2 thin washies also. Let me just get this part out. And like what they said, there's the washi. There's 2 of them here. It's striped, and this one here has words. It says coffee, teach, grade, repeat, eat. Okay, and these are the stickers. And there's one. So pretty. Let me move this out of the way. And then there's this one. Oops, I'm always out of frame here. There you go. I'll take a picture later of it zoomed in so you guys can see it. There's this. I like this one, coffee, teach, grade, repeat. And those are the 3 stickers. And let me take this out. So this one's the folder. So cute. So it's flowery and it's shaped into heart. I'm not normally into flowery things, but I kind of liked it. So there's that. So this is a close-up look at the stickers. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, and this are the post-it notes. 2 post-it notes and 1 page flag. One says note and the other one says don't forget. Of course, there's the folder. That's the front. And at the back is the same thing. So cute. And these are the washies. There's 2 of them. I don't know if I can get this to focus, but this one is just stripes. Diagonal stripes. And these ones have the words. It says, let me turn it over. There's a coffee cup there, and it says coffee, teach, grade, repeat, eat. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think it's the lighting. There you go. And of course, here is the sticky notes. There's 3 of them. It says note, don't forget, and this one is a page flag with a heart. So let me just take this out. And finally, here's the happy planner. So pretty. It says, the best teachers teach from the heart. Again, why am I out of frame? And the inside here is striped yellow. Same thing with the back. Of course, this is your classroom list. There's the note from Stephanie. And I'm going to take this out. That's what scissors are for. There you go. So this Happy Planner Teacher Edition belongs to, so your name, school, room, address, and then 2018-2019. And of course, this is the calendar. Starts at August, ends at July. Again, I am not in frame. There you go. And this one's for the substitute. I never use this page because I have a substitute binder. And then this one here is for August. Here you go. So there's top 5, student birthdays, events and holidays, August goals, inspire, focus of the month. Usually I don't really write student birthdays in my Happy Planner because we have a big poster where all the birthdays are. And we just looked at it. And then there's the month for August. There are the letters. And there's the monthly view. It says top priorities. It's a pretty long list there. There's Sunday, there's Saturday, and there is your planner. And there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces, or rather 7 columns for your different subjects. It's July, August. And there's August. And there's some words here on this side. It says, why fit in when you were born to stand out, by Dr. Seuss. So they're like some quotes in there. Let me look at the other page. That one didn't have any. None for that too. So August. Trying to get into frame here, guys. Sorry. There you go. And there is September. Let me try to get that into frame again. So it says, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. So again, September, top 5, student birthdays, events, and holidays. You have Labor Day, Patriot Day, September goals, encourage, focus of the month. So there's your calendar, top priorities again, holidays. And then there's September. And then there's a little quote there. May your coffee be strong and your students be calm. There's September. There used to be a space where they put weeks, and they don't have that anymore. At least not in this Happy Planner. And then there is October. That is so pretty. It says, life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. F. Scott Fitzgerald. That's so pretty. Again, there's your October top 5 goals, events and holidays, and birthdays, focus of the month, and it says your instruct, your calendar at a glance. There's the week. And the thing here on the side changed. At the start, it was like, this one was just blue. I know August was kind of like different colors on the side, if you guys notice here. And October, I think, is like the leaves. His leaves are changing color. And there's a little coat there. And this one is for November. It says, count your blessings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's your month at a glance, holidays, and this time they're like dots on the sides. So that is October, November, November, November. So pretty. And there is December. It says, it's the season to be jolly. I like that. So there's your month at a glance. And there's the dots and whatever you call that. Mistletoe. I don't know. All right. And there's some more dots. More dots. And this one's January. It says, behind you, all your memories. Before you, all your dreams. Within you, all you need. I like that. So there's January at a glance. And there's little snowflakes here on the sides. There's that. And this one is February. It says, the best teachers teach from the heart. Again, I'm not necessarily a flower fan, but I do like this design or style. So there's February. And here in the middle, it's kind of like a peachy color. There's a quote there. I'm not going to read it. And there's March. It says, I find the... I find the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Okay. There's your month. Whoops. There you go. No. And there are green stripes here on the sides. There they are. And this is April. It says, sweet April flowers do spring May flowers. What? Sweet April flowers do spring May flowers. Oh, okay. By Thomas Tusser. So there's like, oh, that's so cute. Mason jar with flowers, and there's a little bee. And it says, create your own sunshine. And here is May. It says, your mind is the garden, your thoughts are the seeds. The harvest can either be flowers or weeds, by William Wordsworth. So cute. So pretty. It's pink with kind of like the rose gold accent on it. And here is the month in a glance. And there are flowers here on the sides. April, May. And there's the quote by Nelson Mandela. It says, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And this is June. It says, hello, summer with the watermelons. The month at a glance. And there's watermelons here on the sides. Watermelons. I wonder what their quote was. It says, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. And And finally, this is July. It says, savor the sweet treats of summer. So there are the popsicles. So it's red, white, and blue because it's July. Month at a glance. And these are the popsicles and the stars. Red, white, and blue. And let's see what their quote is. It says, what is done in love is done well. Vincent van Gogh. And this is the checklist. Again, flowers. And the notes page here with the mason jar and the flowers. Kind of looks like the one in April. Usually I don't use checklists, but I think this year I'm going to use them. I'm going to write students' names and everything they turn in at the beginning of the year, like different forms and all that stuff, so I could keep track of them and I know where the list is. So again, another checklist. Another checklist. I think you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 checklists. Well, 5 pieces of paper anyway. And there's the back, which is a yellow striped. The checklist should be enough for me, but I know some teachers, they would probably need more if you have a lot more students. So I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through. Please give this a thumbs up if you did. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching. Bye.